Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You've imported your files and created a matching sequence. Now place the camera clip on V1. Next, preview the separate audio in the source monitor and mark in /out if needed so you pull the right segment. Once done, drag the corresponding external audio onto A1, lining up the waveform with visual sync points like clapper or camera movement. This gets you into a position where you can fine-tune alignment and decide whether to replace or augment on-camera audio. Now synchronize using the fastest method. Select both clips and choose Merge Clips or use the Synchronize command. Audio is usually the most reliable reference. If autosync misses, zoom in and nudge the external audio by frames using the keyboard or the slip tool so peaks match. Once alignment is correct, select the paired video and audio and press link to bind them. That preserves relative position when you move or trim clips, making multi-clip edits and timeline organization much simpler and faster. Finish by choosing whether to keep, replace, or mix camera audio. Adjust gain and EQ so levels match the program. Make final trims with linked clips enabled to maintain sync, and apply transitions if needed. If you encounter drift after export, make sure frame rates and sample rates match. Relink source media, or use the rate stretch tool with maintain audio pitch for minor fixes. If persistent problems continue, re-import raw files and repeat a fresh synchronize. This usually resolves hidden format mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.